Hi, I'm BenQ Ambassador Tony Gale, and today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new BenQ SW272U photographer's monitor. It looks really great. Let's see what's inside the box. We've got the individual calibration report. We've got a nice schematic telling you how the box is packed. We've got a little information about the special features, the new Palette Master Ultimate, the wireless hotkey puck, the shading hood. It's nice to have the individual calibration report for the monitor. The box looks really well packed. We have the cord cover for the back of the monitor to help keep things tidy. We have the post for the base. With a nice little cord organizer on the bottom. Is really well packed. It's nice to see that with a monitor like this. You don't have to worry so much about it getting damaged in transit. Got the instructions, AA batteries for the wireless hotkey puck, cables and the wireless hotkey puck itself, HDMI, USB-C, power cord, USB 3, display port, pretty much everything you need in the wireless hotkey puck itself. We've got the base for the monitor, which has a nice new leatherette design, so you can put your phone on there. They were nice enough to put my name on it for me. The base is smaller, so it takes up less space on your desk than previous models. We've got all the parts for the shading hood, both vertical and horizontal. It's really a nice thing to have. It helps keep extraneous light off your monitor. We have the monitor itself. Nice 27 inches. This is nice. It's got a diagram of assembly and how to use everything right on the monitor itself. So you don't have to dig around looking for it. You can put it together right away. To put the post onto the base, it's pretty easy. Just slide it in and then turn the little thumb screw there until it's tight. Helps make sure it's nice and stable, really easy to do. Once it's tight, you just flip it over so it's flat and you're good. You just slide the slots into the monitor and pop it in. If you need to take it out, you just hit the button and take it out. You've got the power cord port, 2 HDMI ports, display port, USB-C, USB 3. This monitor can be used as a USB hub if you need. We have a headphone jack out. We have 2 USB 3 outs. We have an SD card reader. We've got the power button and the various control buttons for the menu system. The new wireless hotkey puck, I'm very excited about the wireless feature. Takes 2 AAAs, which came with the monitor. Just pop them in. Put the cover back on, twist to lock, and you're all set. The cord cover in the back helps keep things tidy. Once the cables are in, you just pop them in, run them through the slot, and you're good to go. And the base of the monitor has this nice little feature to help organize your cables to keep things tidy. The shading hood is really easy to put together. You just pop the pieces together and slide it to lock. It slides into notches on either side of the monitor, left and right. Then you just slide the top on. Shading hoods are a really nice feature to have to keep weird light off. We've got the little hatch on the top for your calibration device to pop in. We've got the really nice leatherette, so if you need to put your phone or your keys or a camera or whatever on there, it doesn't slide off. The hotkey puck can control brightness. It can change your color mode, Adobe RGB, sRGB, black and white. There's a custom button that's set for changing the input device, USB-C or HDMI or DisplayPort. And of course, the new Palette Master Ultimate software is much easier to use and much faster. This really looks like a great monitor. I'm looking forward to using it.